we have an intern that just started today at Burke Marketing, and he actually owns an E60 M5. So we have a bunch of M cars in the parking lot. Got his M5, my M3, and then Spencer's M3. It's a pretty cool lineup. See ya.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a video. We're gonna go on our daily Diet Coke run to film a vlog, and Parker got some new like phone holder thing. He was inspired by Wendell to buy the product. His DJ Dub on Instagram, and he's gonna install it today. And we've had busy morning so far. Had a new intern come in. He drives the E60 M5. The thing was sick. I've been editing videos all morning and doing new client work. I just had a phone call with a very big company that wants social media management. Biggest company I think we'll ever have. I hope we have them. I'm crossing my fingers. I gotta write a proposal today, and Parker's been hustling away. He was showing our intern some training, and then we have a new employee started on the 1st, so getting ready for that. We just set up a new desk right here. We got our Daniel, hopefully is coming back soon. He has been working remotely. We got our all set up here. I was explaining that you just trained an intern, and you just built the phone thing that DJ Wendell sent you or whatever?
Yeah, DJ Dub, he showed me this Redline phone mount. Pretty cool. One of the problems I had with my last car is I used one of those vent mounts, and basically it just like chews up the vents because your phone slides around and stuff.
I embarrassingly have one of those. Do I need to upgrade to that thing? Can you show me how this works?
Yeah.
Don't show the video, just show me.
It's not about the video. So when you buy this product, come on, man. When you buy this product, they give you instructions. It's super simple. You literally just take off the trim. There's a 10mm nut right there.
Is this just for E46?
Yeah.
Oh. So. Sorry, I interrupted you. I apologize.
Alright, I'm gonna get my tools and then. Okay, so we have the instructions if we get lost, but there's literally like 2 steps to this. So basically you just get your trim tool underneath. Oh, it's so hot.
Do you want to do it when we get back? So it cools down?
It's
car parts, car parts.
It just comes off easy.
Sorry, my knees are too big.
If you ever want to steal someone's trim, it's easy.
Just take the thing from Amazon and pry it off.
Yep. Oh, it's so hot. We're living in the desert.
Yeah, dude, this is Arizona. We moved all of our stuff to Arizona with Ricky Gutierrez.
We're stock traders now. This is only hard because of how hot it is. Like, it literally feels like a frying pan.
Why don't you wait?
I'm impatient.
At least you're honest. Do you want to wear gloves? I have gloves in my car. I've never seen you make that face.
What the fuck? That one's coming off too?
There's a screw behind it, or like a tab.
Good. We'll just leave that like that.
Alright, cool.
How it works. What a well-built car. Just fucking comes apart. Nice.
The guy who designed this car is like, dude, shut up, man. I did my best. What is all this stuff in here?
Huh?
Wait,
Oh, so,
what shot like it was drugs?
So, we lost a 10mm, so I'm gonna try a 3/8. See if this works.
That's not a joke either. We actually lost a 10mm.
Good.
Does nothing fit?
No, because we lost it.
Ah, is that a 10mm?
Pretty sure. Yeah, it is.
Alright, change of plans. We have to go find tools, so we're gonna go to Precision real quick.
Yep, I lost the only 10mm we have.
Isn't 10mm the most notorious thing to lose?
It's like a meme that you always lose it.
And you lost it.
We lost it. Somehow, I don't even know. We were like working on your car. They have a car backing them.
Just full speed. Hey! Hey, do you have a 10mm? You got a 10mm? We need one.
What's up?
Thanks for dropping off my car.
Hey. So what's up? Yeah, this is for you.
Hey, I saw the mirror, man.
Yeah.
Mount a phone up
He's
there.
missing something, dude.
Yeah, I don't need it, man. I don't need it.
You know, race cars, they don't got mirrors.
Exactly.
I mean, think about it. Why you
This
gotta
is a
look at
race
the people
car.
you're gapping from behind?
Hey.
Alright, so we had to stop at Precision because I lost my 10mm, so we're putting on the mount right here, and Henry's gonna put that nut back on. Nice. That'll do. That's it. Thanks, dude. Just got that on there, nice and sturdy. And I'll put this trim back on.
Good. Someone's really hammering something over there.
So, pretty clean.
Looks good. Yo, that's nice.
Like that. Alright, so the phone mount is installed. Got a little transmission fluid on there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like it sits over here. Oh, don't check out my DMs. It sits over here, so it's like not in the way of the radio or anything. It'll be a good space, and it won't destroy, since I didn't get the vents or the vent mount, it won't destroy this, which is kind of the point of getting this one. So I'll put the link down below for the Renline phone mount, and you guys can check it out there. But yeah, I hope that you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
It doesn't feel as nice as you think it would. It's kind of rough. We're thinking about renting this office out, but we decided not to, so we're staying in this one. You lock it?
Yeah.
Are you ratchet or bougie or classy?
I'm gonna cut you out.
Hey, you're gonna edit this part out?
Probably.
Yo, they're in escrow.
Or I can leave it in and make this thing 10 minutes.
This is how you meet your ad revenue, is we just record going down the stairs every single day.
You know what I'll do is I'll just put all this after the actual install.
Oh, that's probably good. No, people want to see this stuff, dude. They're here for you. They're not here.
Click right off. And they just see us walking around.
You guys suck. Yo, whose Camry is that? That thing sucks. Just kidding, Nate. I love you. Oh, that was mine, dude. Thank you for that, bro. I had a flat yesterday and we were looking for this for like an hour. This is a phone holder? Is this the thing he's putting in his car? What's up, vlog? It's Spencer Burke. Welcome back to a video. Here's an out of focus picture of a thing.